Hello viewers and welcome to the Pipsoclock, what bias for gold this week. This is the gold analysis for the week coming to you from Pipsoclock. If you're an existing subscriber, I want to say thank you very much for coming back, and if this is your first time of coming into this channel, I want to take this time to really request that you subscribe, like and share this video, and also remember to press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop new information to help you in your trading. Right, so we are going on to analyze gold for the new week, the week February 19th to 23rd. So in the past week, we can see what happened with gold. Gold tried to record a new low for the year, right? So it's recorded a new low for the year at 1984.17, but then it was stopped by the 21 period moving average on the weekly chart. That's the 1 week moving average. So it found a support around there and has formed a hammer. Most likely gold is going to find its way up in the coming week based on what we have here, because everything, if you look at the market structure, let me just adjust this a bit. If you look at the market structure all the way from here in 2022, the structure has been a bullish structure, and so we expect that most likely gold will find its way up this coming week. So let's go on to look at the daily time frame for gold. And on the daily time frame, we still have a bullish structure in place. Yes, though it's a bit quiet, right? So but then the structure is still showing bullish, because if you consider what happened here, around here, okay, and then if you now look at what happened between Thursday and Friday, okay, this is from, first off, you have this doji here that eventually turned out to be a reversal pattern, because this confirmed it by forming a bullish engulfing around it, and then a continuation pattern with what happened on Friday. Okay, so most likely we see gold going up. Okay, so now I'm going to switch to 4 hours. Now, but before you get to that, you can see also that gold is still operating above the 200-day moving average, but below the 50 and 21-day moving averages. And of course, it's heading towards retesting them, because currently those two are now serving as resistance to price. So by the time the market resumes on Monday, most likely price will come to test it. Maybe after a pullback here, then may go up. But let's switch to 4 hours. Then on the 4 hours time frame, everything is still okay. I think there's a conquest here. There's a conquest here because the 21 period moving average has been conquered around here on the 4 hours time frame. So price is about to test the 50 period moving average. So we will watch out to see. So, and we will most likely have to wait for news reports, perhaps that could redefine what to expect as we enter this new week. Okay, so in order to do that, let's quickly check the economic calendar from here. Okay, so let me switch to, okay, what we have here is from on Monday. Medium impact event is only the German Mover monthly reports, and then on Tuesday you have the RBA meeting minutes for Tuesday, and I think the another medium impact here is the Chinese interest rate decision. So perhaps we'll just wait. Let me expand it to let's expand it to Wednesday, or to cover the entire week rather. Let's cover the entire week all to 23rd. All right, so for that Tuesday, let's see. Tuesday, okay, maybe there might be an update on this calendar, because okay, the only other here you see is the Canadian events that will be happening from Canada. So, and we've not listened much apart from the the RBA meeting minutes, that may also impact gold in the early hours of Tuesday. But then on Wednesday, let's see. On Wednesday, you have the FOMC minutes coming out, 20 GMT plus one. The FOMC minutes will be coming out. So this is another big driver for gold. And we go further down to Thursday. And on Thursday, we are going to also see, let's see if there's any other impact, any high impact news from US. Yes, the initial jobless claims will be coming out, as well as the S&P Global Services PMI. All right, then existing home sales at 4 p.m. Then on Friday, so on Friday we have, let's see, on Friday, nothing much from the US apart from the Federal Monetary Policy, that's the Fed Monetary Policy report. So these are the events that most likely will impact on gold. So the first major impact gold may have will be on Tuesday morning, very early on Tuesday morning, when the RBA meeting minutes will be released. So pay attention to this. So this may just dictate the pace for gold on, from for that day until Wednesday. So let's see how the market will just operate within here. So with that, I think it will be proper for us to wait. Okay, we'll wait for the market to resume on Monday, and then from there we'll come back to now see what we could do with the data the market will provide. Right? So we'll then analyze it. But based on what we have here right now, we just need to wait for the market to resume on Monday, and then we will make a better informed decision for gold. So, by and large, remember that from what we have here, we see a market that's about to recover gold, both weekly, daily time frames. On the 4 hours, though it looks like it's recovering, but we need to also give it time, to settle in. So by Tuesday early morning, let's see whether that change can happen or whether there will be a bearish continuation based on what has been happening in the past 1 or 2 weeks. So if you have your questions, comments, and suggestions, please drop it in the comments, and let's trade to win in the coming week. This is from the Pipsoclock team, wishing you a profitable trading week.